What's that?
I need 1 quarter.
Can I take one picture?
Yeah, I'll tell you a poem.
There we go.
I'll tell you a ghost.
Sell me a what?
A ghost. I'll tell you the poem I wrote. Seashell in a tree.
Okay.
I make this cross. You're the...
Stand over here so we can get some light on your face here so we can get a good picture.
You're the seashell, like a pilgrimage for religious righteousness of freedom. Plus, Jesus says parabolically, metaphorically, a grain of sand. But if he's here today, he'll let you be grander. Unmelting snowflake, still unique and infamous. Trees are 3,000 years old. The largest living thing on earth. Gives you air you breathe, free of corona. Heats you if you burn it. Shelters you if you burn plain the lumber and build it. They will come. It takes 1 million gallons of water out of the Earth's crust so that a dragonfly can get from Africa to South America. What's your first name?
I'm Jason.
Dragonfly can get from Africa to South America. Now, with all that in mind, Jason, these are my words. The seashell and the tree. But also remember, when we cut the tree lined within its bark, it will reveal to us the true lines to all time. And when we pick up a seashell or each other and listen, we all hear balance is the key. God bless the seashell and the tree.
That's amazing.
I wrote
You are
that.
an amazing person.
I wrote that.
That's worth more. If I had more money, I would give you more money.
Jason, it's a pleasure to meet you.
Absolutely, sir. You have a good one.
Yep.
Hey guys, how we doing? We are back in downtown Indianapolis, and after a little bit of a hiatus, back taking some photos. I really appreciate those of you that have asked about me, checked up on me, wondering how I'm doing, making sure everything's okay. I really do appreciate that. That really does mean a lot. So it's been a couple weeks since I've had a video out, but actually almost over a month since I've actually been out shooting. One of the last days, I think, of some warm weather, so I think we're getting into the cold season coming up here. And I'll still get out and shoot, I'm still looking for some rainy day shots, that sort of thing, but we'll see what happens. Looking forward to some snow even. We'll get out and get some good snow shots this winter. At any rate, guys, I'm gonna get started here today. I imagine I'll make 2 videos out of this, maybe 3. I don't know if I could, I don't know if I'll be able to get 3 out of this or not. So hopefully for the next 3 weeks, we've got some videos coming out. Of course, we've got our Ricoh GR III out here, and I'll show you here as we get started what our settings are and how we're doing it. We do, of course, have the thumb grip and the GA1 coupler, as well as a UV filter, and that really protects your lens. It also protects your camera in that you're able to put your thumb here on this thumb rest, and it's if you can see that on this thumb rest here, and it's just the way I'm just very comfortable with it on there. So all right guys, we're gonna get started with this one, and hopefully it's entertaining for you. We'll see what we got. Well, let me go ahead. Oh, this might be neat. You might be able to see this a little better. My settings for today: 1/400th of a second at f9. I've got my ISO set at auto ISO, no higher than 1600. I've got my highlight weighted mode on, and I'm shooting at 1.5 meters on the snap meter. So 1.5 meters on the snap meter. You can also see, as always, I've got my JJC. That's a very cool thing right there. I've got my JJC thumb grip. This is very important. You can buy this in the setting in my description below. Well, let me put it on there. I'm not really looking. There we go. And it just slides right in there. You hold it like this. And that's very cool because you can shoot like this instead of having your hand on the dials, your thumb all over the dials. It's very cool. I shoot like this if I'm shooting sideways. Sometimes I'll shoot like this if I want to do a vertical sideways, or like this, where I've got I'm basically scissoring the lens there, and shoot like that. That's normally the way I walk around and shoot, like that. That way I'm walking around, it's just kind of like this, and you can get that shot like that. So very active, a lot of stuff going on, but now I finally get to get out and shoot some pictures. So we're going to try to do that today. Oh, go ahead. You're fine. Thank you. Oh, here's some people on the other side of the street. Okay, here we go. Time to get busy with it. Okay, so this is going to be definitely a shot over here. It's kind of weird. It's like a new stoplight. Okay, I've got to check these and make sure what I've got coming out on these. Not sure I want that highlight weighted on there. I think taking the highlight weighted off. Love it when people look right at the camera. Okay, so I've turned my highlight weighted off. It just scares me. And I'm not sure why. Just not used to. Ooh, there's a guy over there that would be very cool. I'm gonna get this guy walking. Then there's a guy over there in the shade. I guarantee he won't stay. Okay, let's see if I can get this guy over here. Look how cool that is. I may even have to just say, hey man, can I take your picture? Because I don't know if he'll stand there that long. Oh yeah. I'm way out of practice, so we'll see what I come up with on that one. Technically, I'm doing double duty today because I am going down to the radio station to record some commercials. And the radio station is conveniently located on the Circle Center. Comes a boring shot of a lady packing her car, but I'm taking anything I can get at the moment. So here comes a shot of boring lady. Slow down, pace yourself. Every time I start my photo walks, I always feel like I'm getting absolutely no photos at all because I'm not looking. Somebody asked about the display, turning the display on and off. I've got it on right now. I'm not really sure. I'll take it off here in a little bit. I usually turn it off to save battery power. I don't need to see the review of each photo either. I usually check them in batches. Okay, we're getting up to where there's some actual people. Again, I'm out a little early this morning. This is a little early for me, about 11 o'clock, so. Farmer's market's going on, so I assume there'd be folks out. It'll get busier here as the afternoon rolls along. Okay, here we get. Alright. Had to make a choice there as I split between the folks. This guy, Farmer John here. Oh, look, security man. Same guy from Cincinnati? Could be. I'm not sure. Oh, neat. Cops are back on the bikes. How you doing, man? Can I take your picture? Is that okay?
Sure.
All right, awesome. Always ask permission. You never know these days.
No problem.
Excellent. There
you go.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Good to see those guys back out. So I'm gonna check these. Okay, these seem to be okay. We're doing all right. Hey man, can I get your picture real quick? Just got a cool look at those glasses and everything there. I just do street photography.
Oh, shout out. Okay.
Awesome. Thanks, man.
Yeah, no problem.
Right on. Well, let's see. We're gonna go back this way, actually. Get these guys. Are they open? Alrighty. See if I can get this dude here and get a cool shot of this thing. Excuse me, sir. You mind if I take a picture of you right here? You'll actually be a silhouette. I do street photography, but you'll actually be a silhouette. But I just wanted to take a cool picture of you standing there, if that's cool.
You want me to turn to the side?
Yeah, actually, if you could move over this way too, back up this way. Right there, perfect. That's dead center. Excellent, excellent. Kind of, and almost face this way, kind of like at this angle. There we go. I appreciate you doing that, man.
Right.
Okay, cool. I appreciate it, man.
Take care.
Hello. That's cool.
Okay, can I think on it? Because I need to like figure out if I okay, I'll
Hey man, can I get your photo real quick? I do street photography. Just you got a cool look going there. Get right over here in front of this one. There we go, right there, man. If you want, I'll even send you a copy or whatever. Hang on here, let me make an adjustment. I just walk around and with the video and do street photography and find interesting looking people, you know. Okay, I'm gonna get kind of a close-up shot here. Right on. You want to take? If you want my email address, or or actually, let me just. If I give you my phone number, just text me.
Okay.
And what's your name?
Rev.
What is that?
Rev.
Okay.
RVL.
There you go. Cool. And then, yeah, I'll send you the shots or whatever. You can download them and all that. Cool. Appreciate it. Right on. Cool spot here with this sun. I don't know how I can work this here though. How that would. That's cool. Let's see. So I'm acting like, well, I am taking pictures up top, but I'm trying to stay in my spot here and shoot people as they walk, and got some folks coming one way and some folks coming this way, so let's see what we get. Here we go.
It was my first time.
Oh. Not really sure what we got. Let's take a look. Okay, I'm not sure here. I feel like I'm so out of practice. Here come some folks this way, so I can walk over here and just be like, see if I can get these. The sun. Oh, here comes the car. That's probably not a good idea walking in front of that guy. I'm trying to talk a little more here, guys. I know I'm gibberishing, but newspaper man. How you doing, newspaper man?
All right, there you go.
All right, there you go, man. You keep the paper. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Keep up. Can I take a picture?
Yeah.
Awesome. I just walk around, take pictures of interesting people, good-looking guys, you know, that sort of thing.
Yeah.
You fit the bill on both of them. Thank you, sir. Oh, that's cool. How you guys doing? Can I get a picture of you cutting now? Are you cutting more?
Oh, yeah, I am.
Okay, do you mind if I take a picture of you doing it?
Yeah, that's fine.
All right.
Yeah. I'm a star.
The sparks and everything were really cool. That's what I'm trying to.
Right on.
There you go. Right on. Thanks, man. You guys have a great day. Damn it, I hate when I miss people coming out of the building. That would have been a good shot. Okay, here we go. Let's see what we can come up with.